Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to configure transaction replication in SQL Server 2019 Express Edition. You all know that SQL Server Express doesn't contain SQL Server agent. So and the replication works through the agent only. Now I am going to configure SQL Server Express Edition as a subscriber, not as a publisher. Okay. Now I will show you. So go on, right click on the replication. Here I am using 2019 server as a 19 SQL Server as a publisher and SQL Server Express 2019 as a subscriber. Both are SQL Server only. Now I'm going to configure this 19 as Enterprise Edition. Okay, so this I am going to configure as a publisher distributor. Right click on replication, click on configure distribution, click next. Here the wizard is asking me to configure as which server as a distributor. If you have another server to configure a distributor, then you need to select this option. Apart from that, if I'm going to select this server only as a distributor, right? So that's the reason I need to select. Even though if you click add here, I'm going to give the Lenovo named in default instance. It will prompt that if we are going to make this server as a own distributor, then we need to select the top option. Click on top option, click next. I'm going to default folder where the snapshot agent files are going to save or created. Click next. See, this is the distribution name. So I'm keeping the by default keep the distribution name as it is. Okay, click next. Here and it is asking me to where what are the distributors, and this is the distributor. And now I need to add a publisher as well. Publisher this one, and distribution database is this one. Okay, so click next, finish. In one shot we have created two things. One is publisher, and one more thing is distributor. If you see right click on that, see you are able to see this is the properties, public properties, publisher properties, and distributor properties. Okay, now expand the replication, click on local publications, right click on that, click on new publication, select. I am going to select advanced 2019 for. Here you need to select the transaction replication, click next. So here what I need to do, here you need to expand the tables, and I need to select this one. Okay, click next. Here whatever the tables that has a primary key, the tables are going to visible here. Click next, create a snapshot is here you need to click the select that option, click next. Here what I am saying here is it is going to create a snapshot agent job. That agent job is also going to what are the username account that I am having SQL Server agent, that is also going to act configure this act as this for the agent job. Okay, so I am telling that you can also take the impersonate for the user account password what is there from SQL Server agent job. Click OK. Next. Here type that name whatever it will be, adventure hyphen transaction hyphen testing. This is my database name. This is the transaction replication that I have configured. This is for testing purpose. Click finish. So we have already added. So first in the transaction replication, first snapshot is going to create. Click on that, view snapshot. See, the snapshot has been created. Now we need to add the subscriber. Here subscribers we can add in two different ways. Okay, right now the here we have, so we don't have that option here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to configure in this way. Right click on the publication, click on new subscriptions, click next, come to here, select that. So here two options. Here if you select this, distributor agent job is going to run in the publisher. If you select this option, it is the distribution agent job is going to run at the subscriber end. However, if we select this option in the transaction replica in the SQL Server Express edition, we don't have an agent. Agent is there, but it will be permanently disabled. Okay, so if you select this option, there is nothing going to be happen. So obviously, if you want to configure Express edition in the transaction replication to be participated, then you need to select the above option only. Click next. Here it is asking me to add the subscriber. Click here and add SQL Server subscriber. Here you need to give this SQL Server expedition. Select the expedition. Click connect. Here in which database you need to transfer the data. Click on that. I am selecting Harsha database. I need to transfer the tables into this database. Okay, right now if you see this, I don't have any tables. Okay, click next. Again I'm saying that impersonate. Click OK. Okay, initialize. Next, finish. So we have successfully created subscription as well. Now let's see if the tables are there or not. Select the database, refresh. Again this one is also do what, refresh once again. Go to databases. Here see person dot table is there. Now what I'm going to, I'm going to add one table. Okay, right click on that. So right click on properties, click on articles. Here you need to click uncheck this option. Here okay, select this. Okay, so it is going to add the table to the subscriber, or let it is not going to add that table automatically to the subscriber. Let's see that. So initial snapshot for this article is not yet available. So currently it is going to run now. So we need to give some time so that it will going to capture. Let's come here. Let's see the data is there or not. Person dot person. So here we have address line as a 17, right? So let's see that. Go to database. Here person dot address. Where is that person dot address? Here right click on that. Click at it 200 rows. Here I am selecting Hyderabad. Click save. Yeah. Now if you see here, still the changes has not yet replicated. Okay. See, now the changes got replicated. Okay. So what are the changes we have done to the existing tables without participating in the transaction replication? That changes is going to copy by the transaction log reader agent. Okay, so we have done one one experiment. Let's see this here. Refresh the database, expand the tables, select this one. Yeah, it got changed. So now what I need to do, our job is like we need to transfer the newly added table to the subscriber. So now right click on this, reinitialize. You need to select this option, mark for reinitialization. Okay, right click on that, click save. Now suitable, click refresh. Not yet added. So now what I'm going to do, right click on replication, click on replications. Only one article has been added, right? Click start. See, a snapshot of two articles was generated. Now click close, refresh once again, refresh once again, go to databases, click Harsha, expand the table. See, now we got the two tables. This is how you need to add if you want add the existing another table to the existing transaction replication. I hope you like this video. The main purpose of this video is how we need to configure SQL Server Express Edition as a subscriber. This is what I learned in my real time, especially in the past my tenure. I didn't see Express Edition. Very rarely I have seen SQL Express Edition using, and that too in the production they have used as a subscriber. So that makes me wonder, and I think if we do this video to the general public, so that might be helpful for them and me as well. Thanks for this watching this video.